Hi there. We're often asked, how do I change what is reported by my GPS tracking beacons, and how do I change how I'm notified? For example, you can define a scenario to track your items and record this data for later reporting. You can also use scenarios to notify you in real time of vehicle behavior such as speeding or zone violations. In this short clip, I'm going to introduce scenarios. Scenarios are simply and easily created. Let's get started by clicking on Administration. A scenario is the combination of an event type, a schedule, a notification, and a list of vehicles. For example, let's say that as a fleet manager, I want to be notified via text or email when Matt, Shelley, or Neil's trucks enter a maintenance yard during the workday. Let's show how that's done. I'm going to click on Add Scenario. Next, I'm going to type in the scenario name, maintenance yard. Now I'm going to select an event type. Here you're presented with a list of events that are available to you. If you ever have any questions on any one of these events, simply click on it and look at the information over on the right-hand side of the screen. I'm going to go back and select a circular zone. I'm going to type in a starting address. And click on Get Map. I'm going to bring up this map. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. Now I'm going to create a circular zone around my maintenance yard. There we go. Scroll down a little bit. I'm going to set this zone to be disallowed because I want an alert every time the vehicles enter this area. The next step is setting the schedule. I can leave it at default of 24/7, or I can choose from other selections such as off hours or work hours. I can also define a custom schedule. Here I want this scenario to run every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Next, I select any number of email addresses or cell phones to send this notification to. That's an optional step. Lastly, I'm going to select vehicles to add to this scenario. I can select them one at a time, or I can select multiple vehicles at a time. Now I'm going to review my information, and if everything looks good, click on Create Scenario. Now you can see the scenario maintenance yard has been added to my scenario list. Now every time these vehicles enter the maintenance yard during working hours, I'll receive a text message alert and an email alert. Of course, this information is also stored in the system for later review at any time in reports. If you have any other questions, please feel free to watch more of our videos or contact your service provider. Thanks very much.